Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the clipboard on your Android phone. So if you're using the Gboard for your keyboard, this is very easy, and this is the one that Google comes with. So if you got like a Pixel or something like that, this is the Gboard. So in the middle of the screen, we have a clipboard icon. We can just tap that, and we can just make sure this is turned on. So mine is turned off. Then I got to go turn on, and here's my clipboard. So some of my recent text is background. So I can just type that in. And then you can see all the different options under here. So we can hit edit and we can delete some of these too if we don't want these on here. So welcome to Gboard. Those are now deleted. I think if I hold this down, I can go to copy. And I think it saved my clipboard right there. So yeah, we can just look at this now. But that's how I turn it on with the Gboard. So if you're using something else, it might be a little bit different. So you can switch this on over by typing in keyboards. So let's type this in properly. So it might be a little bit different depending on your keyboard. So I'm going to go to on-screen keyboard right here. And you can enable the Gboard. If you don't already have it, you're going to have to download it through the Google Play Store. Just go on over to the Play Store. Okay, not now. And then go to search, Gboard. And this is the one that is default on most Android devices. But if you got like a Samsung phone, it might be a little bit different. So we can go to Gboard, the Google keyboard, install this, and that's how you're going to enable the clipboard on that specific keyboard. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.